So, last week you guys got those two big wins. You only allowed one goal in two games. How does it feel to get those two big wins going into this PSAC tournament game?
It definitely gives us some more confidence. We're really excited about making the playoffs since we had a little bit of a rough start, but we're definitely very confident coming into this next game and feel like we can get the win.
And for you personally, it was a very big week. You were named the second straight year Capital One Academic All-American for District 2. How's that feel to earn that accomplishment for the second straight year?
It was definitely a goal that I had coming into the season. Feels really good to get it because I work really hard both on the field and off the field, so it feels good to be recognized.
How difficult is it for you to maintain this kind of level of success off the field and on the field?
I have to be extremely organized because if I'm not, then I'll forget about an assignment or I won't be ready for practice. So I just try to stay really organized and be ready.
And your shutout against Kutztown, that puts you in the 10th place all time in conference history for shutouts. How's that feeling knowing that, that's not only an effort by you, but by the team as a whole defensively? How's it kind of feel to know that, you guys have had that kind of success throughout your 4 years here?
It feels really good. I really hoped that I would have a successful college career coming to Edinboro, and I'm really glad to know that it's been worthwhile.
How's your guys' confidence as a team going into tomorrow's game?
We're really confident. We definitely feel like we beat Kutztown. We dominated them in the game that we won 2-1, and definitely feel like we're gonna get the win.